I'm marking a starting line. On the line, I'll be marking shoulder length, which is 8 inches. On that line, I'll be marking shoulder slant of 1 inch and 8 inches arm sike, also known as armhole. Neck width of 2.5. Neck depth of 3 inches. The length of gown is 29, but I'll be marking 40 inches. Bust measurement is 40. 40 divided by 4 is 10. I'll be adding 2 inches to the 10, making it 12 inches. On this line, I'll be marking it all the way down, and the width is 17 inches. For the arm side cuff, take half of the arm side, then go in by 0.5. So this is applicable for the front side of the clothes you're making. Because I want to use this to trace out the other one, I'll be marking the back neck depth, which is 1 inch. So while I was cutting this, I just realized that this center here matches very well for front side. So I'll be tracing everything I have on the front, the previous front part, to this one that I wanted to use as back. So I'll be tracing everything, both the arm side and the neck depth. I went up by 1.5 inches, then blend it into the hem part. For the back, I am taking half of the neck width, which is 2.5, and on the line of 2.5, I'll be marking 6 inches down. So as you can see, I've already joined the shoulders. I'll open it up and cut out an interface. Please, if you don't know how to cut an interface, you can check on the description box. I've sewn the interface and also added pockets to it. So if you don't really know how to cut out pockets for a gown, please check on the description box. So next thing to do is to sew the sides on 0.5 inch. For the sleeve, I am supposed to mark 5 inches here, but I'll be marking 6 inches because I want to have like 2 inches pleats at the center of the sleeve. Go up by 2 inches. I'm marking out that 1 inch for pleats. Then from there, I connect to the 2 inches line. The length of sleeve is 10 plus 1 inch, making it 11 inches. Here is the shoulder line of the bodice, and I'll be placing the front side of the sleeve to it. Then I remember I have to pleat 2 inches from the sleeve. After that, I'll just take it to the machine and sew it all the way. Do the same here. This is optional. I always like adding hemming gum to my interface. It helps to hold it down and to give you a very neat finishing. Hem the sleeve. After hemming the sleeve all around, close the sides. Do the same for this other side. Then hem the down parts.